Hello and welcome to your new Moto G6 Plus. It's built with features which give you more with everything you do. So let's dive right in. Check out the stunning 3D glass back, which reflects light, giving your phone a different look from every angle. Its Corning Gorilla Glass ensures your screen is protected from scratches. Let's look at the 5.9-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display built for maximum viewing. And with a larger 18:9 aspect ratio, you can get fully immersed in your entertainment. See more at one glance. Read articles and check out websites with lesser scrolling. And it has Dolby Audio. Enjoy preset sound modes for everything, from music to movies. You can even personalize it by adding virtual sound effects or creating your own sound profile. Your Moto G6 Plus packs a camera with a higher IQ. With a 12-megapixel and 5-megapixel smart dual rear cameras, you can click and learn more of the world around you. To access the smart camera, just twist your wrist and it opens up instantly. Now, swipe right to see all the creative camera modes. Using the portrait mode, you can add a beautiful blur effect to the background. Use the slider to adjust the focus. Want to give your portrait photos a classic look? Go to the portrait editor and use the selective black and white feature. Select the part of the image you want to keep in color and tap on it. The rest of the image will turn black and white. You have a lot of fun using the cutout mode. Click a specific object in your frame and add a background behind it. Easy, like this. There's another really cool way to make your photos pop. Use the spot color feature to just tap and pick a color on a subject or a specific area and automatically turn everything else black and white. Use the slider to adjust the highlight. Want to get more creative? Use the cool slow motion mode to capture cool videos. You can also try the manual mode, which gives you settings you'd expect to find on a professional DSLR camera. Adjust the focus, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation. In addition to the cool creative camera modes, your Moto G6 Plus also comes with the smart Google Lens. Use it to scan objects around you to know more about them. See a monument or landmark you like? Know more about it by just pointing your camera at it. Google Lens even recognizes text, allowing you to scan and copy it easily. You can even scan barcodes or QR codes by just pointing the camera at them. You have a smart front camera too. The amazing 16-megapixel front camera allows 300% more light. Combine that with an LED flash and you don't need to worry about low-light selfies ever again. There's more. Make your selfies come alive by adding fun, animated face filters in real time. Want to take your selfies even a notch higher? Use the handy beautification mode to give your selfies a flawless touch. You can also unlock your phone by just looking at it. Just go to Security and Location option within Settings and enable the Face Unlock option. Set your trusted face and you're all set. And with a massive 6 GB RAM, switch between multiple apps at a blazing fast speed on your Moto G6 Plus. It also comes with some really cool Moto experiences which make your phone more fun. Let's check a few of them out. Activate the Chop Twice for Flashlight feature. Then, chop down twice to switch on the flashlight. Want to switch it back off? Just repeat the same action. You can easily navigate your phone using the fingerprint reader by activating one-button navigation. Swipe left to go back, swipe again to access recent apps, and tap to go home. And use one long press to lock your phone. You can also silence distracting calls and notifications. Just activate Flip to Do Not Disturb on your phone. And don't worry about it ringing when it's not supposed to.
Hello, Moto.
Another way to silence calls is the pick up to stop ringing feature. Just pick your phone from the surface when it rings and it will switch to vibrate.
Hello, Moto.
You can also customize your Moto display settings on the Moto G6 Plus. Got a notification? See it on your locked screen by touching the notification icon. Want to reply directly from notifications? Just swipe up the notification and type your response. You can also activate night display, which optimizes the screen brightness by reducing blue light. Select a time slot to activate this setting, and your display will automatically switch to warmer tones to prepare your eyes for sleep. Adjust it with the slider. And don't forget to visit the Motorola Notifications app to see some really cool updates. Get to know about cool offers and much more. And after all that, you still have all the power you need. The Moto G6 Plus comes with an all-day battery. Plus, the turbo power charger ensures you get hours of power in just a few minutes of charging. So, go ahead. Enjoy your Moto G6 Plus that's built for more.